Ms. Broussard, are you aware that your son in the last 5 years has been arrested for 9 different offenses?
Excuse me?
Are you aware that in the last 5 years, your son has been arrested for 9 separate offenses?
9?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not going to take much for me today to lose my, I'm right on the verge. I am at my word limit.
Good morning,
Good morning.
I have one witness in this case.
Good morning. Are you Jonah Ray Johnson?
Yes, Mom.
And this is 25 DCCR 1775. Mr. Johnson is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And Mr. Vasquez has filed a motion asking that I reduce Mr. Johnson's bond.
And the original bond back in September was $150,000. Wasn't that correct?
Yes, sir.
And what went wrong? What was the problem there?
The ankle monitor. We thought it was broken, which we was led. That was, we called Johnny, and Johnny told us to come in, which we had been talking with Johnny for 2 weeks. But like I say, Johnny said come in. There's something's going on with the monitor, and we also was a payment behind.
Okay.
But we
let me interrupt.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
That's all right. The bondsman said the defendant has failed to pay for the GPS device. It wasn't charged. He will not respond to surety's attempt to reach him. He cannot be located. Surety feels like his bond is at risk. Now, you disagree with that, right?
Yes, sir.
The bond was never at risk.
No, sir. Ready, prepared to make fun, Johnny.
Have you seen the video in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have talked to my son. Yes, ma'am.
You've actually
And-
seen it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The whole video.
Okay. Anything else?
Nothing else, right?
Questions of this
That was
witness?
actually one of my questions I was going to ask this witness, is whether or not she's seen the video, Judge.
Okay.
In addition to that, Ms. Broussard, are you aware that your son in the last 5 years has been arrested for 9 different offenses?
Excuse me?
Are you aware that in the last 5 years, your son has been arrested for 9 separate offenses?
9?
Yes, ma'am. Evading arrest as a juvenile, UUMV as an adult, possession of a controlled substance, unlawful carry of a firearm, failed to ID, possession of a controlled substance, possession of marijuana, and 2 additional unauthorized carrying of a weapon. Were you aware of those arrests?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the gun that your son allegedly carried back on August the 31st of 2025, during that shootout at the Pine Club Apartments, do you have any idea where you got that gun from?
No, sir.
Are you aware that a bystander was shot during that melee?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's all I have, Judge.
No, I'm going to object to it to relevance.
Bring your witness.
It's
I'm
on.
sorry, the audience.
It's about a 5-minute excerpt from a 14-minute and 20 some odd second phone call.
Well, so it's been altered.
It's been included, yes.
Object to the alteration, Your Honor.
Judge, what's on here is the original 14-minute long video as well as the shortened 5-minute video with the subtitles added. So the original's on here.
Okay.
And by the way, I gave it to Mr. Vasquez yesterday, and he's had a chance to preview it.
States one, with both, will be admitted.
Permission to post, Judge?
Yes.
Judge, can I finish my objection?
Sure.
There's a object to the alteration, and then there's a transcription. I object to that as hearsay, where you give
The subtitles.
the subtitles of what you think they're saying.
Do you disagree that the subtitles are correct with what you hear?
I don't know, Your Honor. I just object to it being hearsay.
Oh,
Or is it hearsay?
The subtitles are on it to what it's someone has written in what they've transcribed the conversation to be. I object to that as hearsay.
Mr. Coleman?
Judge, if the audio is not hearsay, which is a statement made by a party opponent, then the subtitles are therefore not hearsay. Judge, it's just-
Obviously, we'll be able to listen myself and your objection's overruled. It's admitted.
permission to publish. Judge.
Yes, and that's both the excerpt as well as the entire And thank you, Captain Ponder.
Reported or monitored.
He came back in, he said, we still ain't gave probation. The lawyer told them do probation shit. I was actually looking at the lawyer trying to ask probation shit. She was like, man, there's too much shit been going on. It's like a wild, wild wheels. You know, he told me, she was like, you got right up, you be jumping in and that little shit up. But she like, I gotta make an example. But oh my man, crazy. People went crazy for me. Wow. No, he said people screaming that shit. They say, hey, world star type of shit. Burn all over the world. But a couple days later, first it was cool, he was chill. Kept like, bitch, you good, you good, you sure you good, bitch, and they good. Like, I'm good with the whoop. So one day he just snapped. CO said something to him. And I said, what is bitch had with the plate? So I get to CO and they want to punch him. They go, like, I'm 60 weeks. Ooh. Niggas, so he ain't trying to CO and trying to punch like, boom, he smacked the motherfucking computer, punched that bitch. Break the motherfucking computer. They come, he been in the door, man, since they came out, I thought he been in the door. That bitch 25, so it was trick so good. Good. Hey, you ain't bitch. Anyway, you gotta do at least one test. I mean, that's his taxes. If you go down that trip, he gonna put it up for college for five. Yeah. And they go, it's his whole point. That's my little folks. Go ahead, first time about. You want to leave your sentencing to the judge? And I said, hell nah. Take my shit to trial. I said, then go out my bus for the discovery. I seen all my evidence and shit. That shit bullshit, but let me take this to trial, man. They gonna drop the charge. So I took take the charge. Ooh, my lawyer good. Like, I need to look at the paperwork and shit. Like, oh, you good? You giving some time? Like, I know it's gonna take time. Because everything that's going on right now, they ain't making it no better. My shit, but like I say, they come, even if they come like this, 5-year cap, they gonna say they off probation with a 5-year cap. I take this. I want to be careful. I want it 5 years. But if they do, I put like 2.5 on that bitch. Oh, come on, man, for next you have some next time get fed. I'm gonna have some back time. I already got 5 months back time right now. You been there 5 months, bitch. Damn. Finish that was 5 months. Too much I did, boy. This shit feel like very good points of the phone. At that time, I really just kind of been flying by. It's just once you get in, it's more just flying by. Wow. Sure. That shit. Very vicious. So, man. Wow. This is something. I ain't in the mug, but that shit. Very big. Something. And because they've been around young, it's hard to do it. I stay out the way. But you know, push gonna come to shove, some shit gonna happen. Boom, you know. Get to the, like, that was my first write-up. Like, bitch, I've been chilling, so I've been quiet, doing that to nobody. That there's just write-up, got another write-up, I got fire write-up, other fire write-up. But at that time, they moved to this door. Shit. It was straight out to the top. So I do it, put me on game day, so it's going on, like, shit. So, because I've been saying, when I first came in, so I was a KO, boom. I said, it's coming to hell, leave, and go back. You know, this can be a lot of people like this, I'm good. I'm like, hey, I can't back to this, right? So, when I'm like, yeah, oh, they can get out this whole like the flood, you see this, you know. So they ain't gonna figure the world like this, they got to get it good, yeah. And he, like, yeah, shit, say, give that nigga probation for worse shit like that. Good, this how I move. You come out on top with it, because he get probation for when you get a decision, my free will project nigga had 3 robberies. Hey, that nigga, ISL, fuck 3 months and 10-year probation. That's like that nigga, you can't believe. That's what I'm talking about. They gave ISL 3 months, he had 3 months ISL. He got 10 years probation. After he was already on probation for 10 years. Fuck. But crazy, even the dude that got fight with the court the same day. You know.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. So at this time, I am going to deny the motion for a bond reduction. And I guess, Mr. Coleman, depending on any future incidents, if the state wishes to file a motion to increase, I would look at that at the appropriate time.
We have contemplated that, Judge.
But Mr. Johnson, a condition still, if you make that $300,000 bond, is that you would be on house arrest. You would be required to wear a GPS monitoring device at all times. Part of the reason that I'm doing this is because it sounds like you were working, your parents have the issues. I've looked at the bond, the affidavit for them to release surety. It's not just the GPS monitoring device. They obviously were having a hard time getting in touch with you for whatever reason. So I think that makes obviously one of the criteria under 17.15 for bail is that obviously you have to follow all of the rules and conditions of bond, which is with your bondsman as well. And so we will reset your case for an announcement, and Mr. Vasquez will visit with Mr. Coleman, get any offers in your case, and we'll either take a plea if you wish to take a plea at the next court date, or if you don't, we'll do a rejection and get your case set for trial.